America 176 inbound 3.5 miles. Cross runway 34 left, taxi Hotel Expedite.
Cross runway 34 left, Lima 4, Expedite, American 176.
東京タワージャパンエア284スポット14
Japan 284 Tokyo Tower runway 34 left, wind 070 at 9, continue approach.
ジャパンエア284ランウェイ34レフトコンティニューアプローチ
America 176 continue taxi via hotel.
Join Hotel, American 176.
News Sky 76 town rate Alpha 12, contact ground 1217.
Alpha 12, 117 News Sky 76.
Onipon 596, runway 34 left, clear to land wind 070 at 8.
34 left clear to land on Nippon 596
Tokyo Tower Nippon 658 spot 67 Romeo
Onipon 658 Tokyo Tower runway 34 left, wind 070 at 8, continue approach.
Continue approach on Nippon 658
American 176, contact ground 11822.
11822, American 176.
Onipon 596, turn right to Alpha 12, inbound 2.5 miles.
Alpha 12 on Nippon 596
東京タワージャパン696スポット6
Japan 696 Tokyo Tower runway 34 left, wind 080 at 10, continue approach.
ランウェイ34レフトコンティニューアプローチジャパンエア696
Coordinate 2103787 vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land wind 080 at 9.
Runway 34 left correct land after landing left turn vacate coordinate 203
That's correct. Onipon 596, contact ground 1217.
117 Nippon 596
Coordinate 2103, turn left to Lima 14.
Left turn Lima 14 coordinate 2103
That's grand turn left on Lima.
Continue left turn Lima coordinate 203
Onipon 842, traffic vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land wind 070 at 8.
Runway 34 left clear to land on Nippon 842
Coordinate 2102, left down Lima, contact ground 12162.
Left on Lima contact ground 12162 coordinate 203
40.842, turn right to Alpha 12 and Alpha 13.
Alpha 12, Alpha 13, 40.842.
40.842, contact ground 1217.
Ground 117, 40.842.
Japan 284, 787 vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 080 and 9er.
Japan 284, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Japan 696, again your gate number.
Spot 6, Japan Air 6996, correction, spot change to 7 now, Japan 6996.
Roger, thank you.
Tower Delta 181 cleared ILS X-ray 34 left, stand 140.
Delta 181 Tokyo Tower, 34 left, wind 100 at 8, continue approach.
Continue approach Delta 181. Japan 25 approaching Lima 4.
Japan 25 Tokyo Tower, hold short of runway 34 left, traffic on short final.
Hold short of runway 34 left at Lima 4, Japan 25.
658, continue approach, we have ground traffic before you.
Continue approach 658. Tokyo Tower 88, spot 69.
88 Tokyo Tower, Roger. Japan 25, next inbound 3.5 miles, cross runway 34 left, taxi hotel, expedite.
Cross runway 34 left, taxi via hotel, expedite, Japan 25.
88, runway 34 left, winds 100 at 7, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, 88.
Japan 284, turn right to Alpha 12 and Alpha 13.
Alpha 12, Alpha 13, Japan 284.
Tower 628, spot 62.
Standby Japan 284, contact ground 1217.
1217, Japan 284.
Nippon 658, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 100 at 8.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Nippon 658.
Nippon 628, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 100 at 7, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, Nippon 628.
Delta 181, a second, continue approach, we have ground traffic before you. Japan 25, contact ground 1182.
Ground 1182, Japan 25, great.
Okay. Delta
882, holding short at Lima 4.
United 882, Tokyo Tower, hold short of runway 34 left, standby 2, arrival.
Okay, hold short, runway 34 left, United 882.
Delta 181, a second, continue approach, before landing, traffic will cross runway.
We will continue the approach, Delta 181.
Nippon 658, turn right to Alpha 10, Alpha 12, next inbound 2.5 miles, expedite.
Expedite Alpha 12, Nippon 658.
Nippon 658, continue taxi via Alpha and Juliet.
Alpha Juliet, Nippon 658.
Japan Air 696, 737 vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 080 at 7.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Japan 696.
Nippon 658, continue taxi via Juliet.
Continue taxi via Juliet, Nippon 658.
Tokyo Tower, Japan Air 914, spot 12.
Japan Air 914, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 070 at 6, continue approach.
34 left, continue approach, Japan Air 914.
United 882, inbound 3.5 miles, cross runway 34 left, taxi via hotel.
Cross 34 left, United 882, taxi via hotel.
Nippon 658, contact ground 11822.
11822, Nippon 658.
Japan 676, turn right to Alpha 10, contact ground 1217.
6 Alpha 10, ground 127, Japan 676.
On Nippon 628, second continue approach. We have ground traffic before you.
Continue approach on Nippon 628.
Delta 181, runway 34 left. Clear to land, wind 070 at 6.
Clear to land, runway 34 left, Delta 181. Thank you.
On Nippon 88, continue approach. We have ground traffic before you.
Continue approach on Nippon 88.
United 882, contact ground 11822.
11822, United 882.
Tokyo Tower, on Nippon 963, Lima 4.
On Nippon 963, Tokyo Tower, hold short of runway 34 left, traffic on short final.
40 short runway 34 left, on Nippon 963.
Tokyo Tower on Nippon 262, spot 63.
On Nippon 262, Tokyo Tower, Roger. On Nippon 9963, inbound 4 miles, close runway 34 left, taxi via hotel.
Cross runway 34 left, taxi via hotel, on Nippon 963.
On Nippon 963, your number 1, continue taxi via hotel.
Continue taxi via hotel, on Nippon 963, thank you.
Delta 181, turn left to Lima 12 or Lima 13.
Left on Lima 12, Delta 181, 181.
Delta 121, question 181, contact ground 12162.
Ground 12162, Delta 181.
On Nippon 88, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 070 at 7.
Runway 34 left, clear to land on Nippon 88.
On Nippon 9963, contact ground 11822.
11822, on Nippon 963.
On Nippon 262, runway 34 left, wind 070 at 7, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach on Nippon 262.
Tokyo Tower, Japan Air 999, approaching Hoipo Lima 3.
Japan Air 999, Tokyo Tower, hold short of runway 34 left, traffic on short final.
Hold short runway 34 left, Japan Air 999.
Japan Air 999, inbound 4 miles, close runway 34 left, turn right on Alpha.
Cross runway 34 left, turn right Alpha, Japan Air 999.
On Nippon 88, turn right to Alpha 12 and Alpha 13.
Alpha 2, Alpha 13, on Nippon 88.
Tokyo Tower, Japan Air 462, spot 11.
Japan Air 462, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 060 at 9, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, Japan Air 462.
On Nippon 88, contact ground 1217.
127 on Nippon 88.
On Nippon 628, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 070 at 9.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Nippon 628.
Japan Air 999, continue taxi via route 5, contact Delta 11872.
Continue taxi via route 5, 172, Japan Air 999. Good night.
Good night.
Tokyo Tower, good wind, Flyer 26, approaching Kaiho, stand to 2.
Good evening, Starflyer 26 Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 080 at 10, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, Starflyer 26.
iPhone 628, turn right to Alpha 12.
Alright, Alpha 12, Alpha 628.
All stations, Tokyo Q1H 3034, 3034. iPhone 628, contact ground 1217.
Ground 1217, Alpha 628.
Okay. Japan Airline 14, runway 34 left, clear to land with 080 at 10.
34 left, clear to land, Japan Airline 14.
Tokyo Tower, Nippon 538, spot 408.
Nippon 538, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 080 at 10, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach on Nippon 538.
Japan Airline 14, turn right to Alpha 12 and Alpha 13 due to ground traffic.
Alpha 12, Japan Airline 14.
Alpha 12, join Alpha 13. United 130, Tokyo Tower, hold short runway 34 left. Japan Airline 14, next inbound past 2 miles, turn right to Alpha 12 and Alpha 13.
Alpha 12, Alpha 13, Japan Airline 14.
Nippon 262, Alpha 350, vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 070 at 9.
Runway 34 left, clear to land on Nippon 262.
Japan Airline 14, continue taxi, Whiskey 13, contact ground 1217.
Whiskey 13, ground 1217, Japan Airline 14.
United 130, Tokyo Tower.
United 130 is holding short Lima 4.
United 130, traffic on short final, hold short runway 34 left.
Hold short 34 left, United 130.
Japan 462, continue approach, we have ground traffic before you.
Continue approach, Japan 462.
United 130, inbound 4 miles, cross runway 34 left, taxi via hotel.
34 right via hotel for United 130.
United 130, close runway 34 left, taxi via hotel, expedite.
Crossing 34 left, expedite, United 130.
Nippon 262, turn right to Alpha 12, then Alpha Juliet.
Alright, Alpha 12, Alpha Juliet on Nippon 262.
Japan Air 462, runway 34 left, clear to land in 060 at 9.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Japan Air 462.
United 130, contact land 121, 11822.
11822 for United 130.
Nippon 262, continue taxi via Juliet, contact land 11822.
Continue taxi via Juliet, contact ground 11822 on Nippon 262.
Tokyo Tower Jet Alpha 123 Foxtrot Spot 951.
Jet Alpha 123 Foxtrot Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 070 at 10, continue approach.
34 left, continue approach to the Jet Alpha 123 Foxtrot.
Nippon 538, as again, continue approach, we have ground traffic before you.
Continue approach, runway 34 left, on Nippon 538.
Japan 462, turn right to Alpha 12, then Alpha 13.
Alpha 12, Alpha 13, Japan Air 462.
Japan 462, contact ground 1217.
1217, Japan Air 462.
Starflyer 26737 vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 080 at 9.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Starflyer 26.
Tokyo Tower Japan Air 322 Gate 13.
Japan 322 Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 090 at 9, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach Japan Air 322.
Nippon 538, reduce the minimum.
Reduce minimum speed on Nippon 538, now minimum.
Roger. Starflyer 26, turn right to Alpha 10 or Alpha 12.
10, we take Alpha 12, Starflyer 26.
Starflyer 26, Roger, Alpha 12, then Alpha 13.
1213, Starflyer 26.
Nippon 538, continue approach.
Sorry, again?
Continue approach, traffic crossing.
Roger, continue approach on Nippon 538.
Starflyer 26, contact ground 1217.
1217, Starflyer 26.
Nippon 682 Spot 57.
Nippon 682 Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 080 at 9, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach on Nippon 682.
Nippon 538, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 080 at 8.
Runway 34 left, clear to land on Nippon 538.
Nippon 538, continue running low, turn right to Alpha 12, then Alpha Juliet.
Alpha 1 to Alpha Juliet on Nippon
538.
Delta 123 Foxtrot Alpha 321 vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land in 080 at 8.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Delta 123 Foxtrot.
123 Foxtrot, and after running expect to Lima 12 Lima Bravo 7.
Lima 12 Lima Bravo 7, Delta 123 Foxtrot.
1.538 canteen taxi via Juliet.
Continue taxi Juliet on Nippon 538.
Nippon 538, contact ground 1182.
Contact ground 118.22 Nippon 538.
Tokyo Tower, Japan Air 650, 5 miles from Avion, spot 10.
Japan 650, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 090 at 6, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, Japan 650.
Delta 123 Foxtrot, turn left Lima 12, then Lima to Bravo 7, inbound 3.5 miles.
Delta 123 Foxtrot, turn left Lima 12 Lima Bravo 7, Delta 123 Foxtrot. Delta 123 Foxtrot, request Lima 10.
Okay, Lima 10 Lima to Bravo 7.
Lima 10 Lima Bravo 7, Delta 123 Foxtrot, thank you.
Japan 322, runway 34 left, clear to land in 080 at 5.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Japan Air 322.
Tokyo Tower, Japan Air 614, spot 3.
Japan 614, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 080 at 6, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, Japan Air 614.
Delta 123 Foxtrot, canteen taxi via Lima to Bravo 7, holding point.
Continue taxi to Lima, via Lima to holding point Bravo 7, Delta 123 Foxtrot.
Japan 322, turn left, cushion turn right to Alpha 10 or Alpha 12.
Pick up Alpha 10, Japan Air 322.
Japan 322, Roger, contact ground 1217.
1217, Japan Air 322.
Nippon 682, Alpha 350 vacating, runway 34 left, clear to land in 070 at 9.
Runway 34 left, clear to land on Nippon 682.
Tokyo Tower, Japan Air 240, spot 4.
Japan 240, Tokyo Tower, runway 34 left, wind 070 at 8, continue approach.
Runway 34 left, continue approach, Japan Air 240.
Delta 123 Foxtrot, cross runway 04, taxi via November 7.
Cross runway 04, taxi via November 7, Delta 123 Foxtrot.